Order then, roll call.
Sandra Barker. James Mitz.
Here.
Louis Starks.
Here.
Fred Zorn.
Here.
Fabrice Similakis.
Here.
Anthony Rosenblum.
Here.
Justin
Prabilski.
Present. Oh, Rochelle Freeman.
Here.
Austin Michaels. Okay. Oh, the Honorable Ellen Holt.
Item number 3 is election of officers.
Hoping that we would keep
Chair,
it
well, we have which positions? The chair and the vice chair?
and the Secretary Treasurer.
All right, so I will call for nominations first for chair.
Who wants it?
Are you willing to serve again, Mr. Zorn?
Sure. Thought we were going to do a flip, but I'll serve as, yes.
Lori, can we do all three at
You
once?
can do all three at once if you, and you
Okay.
may want to do the same slate if that is, if all
Yes.
of them are willing to do it, and somebody could move the past slate.
Austin.
I'll make a motion to move the past slate.
Yes. Okay.
Second.
All those in favor then?
Aye.
Opposed? All right. We have officers, approval of the minutes from November 29, 22 meeting. It's minor correct, it's Fred Zorn in the nominations. Everything else was correct.
Okay.
Are there any other corrections or additions to the minutes? If not, I'll entertain the chair to approve, a motion to approve the minutes.
So moved.
Second.
Any other discussion? All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Old business. Any old business? New business. City of Southfield Smart Zone update. I'll refer it over to Rochelle Freeman.
Hi there, everybody. So the Smart Zone has been, Centropolis has been going great. Tom and Fred are both on our advisory board with some members from the state, and we've been really excited to see the direction. They've expanded into some new areas. They've been working with the climate, C3, circular economy, what are the three here? What? No, I can't, clean,
Not my specialty.
clean tech, yeah. Anyway, they've been doing great with that, and they're looking to add a defense district as well. And so their future, to build on their long-term success, to merge the manufacturing and climate legislation budgets, to merge into that, to transition into a defense and hard tech accelerator, into a $20 million per year program, to develop a non-profit seed fund to make equity investments in their clients, and to develop a Michigan manufacturing angel group to offer funding for their clients. And right now they've expanded to offer 30 services, 30 different kinds of investments per year to assist over 100 clients. And they're also looking to help Lawrence Tech to become an R&D university. So over the last couple of years, they've created 14 companies, 605 new jobs with an average salary of $50,000 per job, over 225 patents, and contracts from Michigan suppliers of over $142 million. So it's phenomenal. They have a lot of programs going throughout the year. You're welcome to visit their website and to participate in any of their programs. And a lot of their services are offered to all businesses throughout the state of Michigan. So there's no requirement for most of their programs to move to the facility. We do offer small business services that are for the Southfield business community. But everything else is open to everybody. So please visit Centropolis Accelerator. Let me know if you want to come by and see the facility.
nationally, they're doing stuff up with Holton and Marquette.
Yep.
I mean, the smart zones in the UP, and there's some really neat synergies happening, so.
Just like Automation Alley, they all work together to leverage each other's strong points. And so they're not encroaching on what they're doing in the UP, they're just adding extra benefit to their clients up there. And so if they can offer something special within a certain area for recycling or climate, clean tech, those kinds of things, they'll do that. But because the university is more product development, so they'll bring people back to the university. They leverage the resources with the students and work with them on class projects, and they help coordinate all of that as well.
Great. Any questions? All right, new business item B, City of Troy. Mark?
Yes, the City of Troy Smart Zone, it's a 75-acre technology park. Basically, just right down the street on Bellingham, for those who don't have a picture or reference of it in mind. But Automation Alley is the linchpin of our LDFA, and they offer opportunity to network with local firms, national firms, and international firms. For example, not too long ago, Automation Alley hosted several French technology firms, which provided opportunity to explore potential partnerships and maybe some foreign direct investment opportunities. Again, foreign direct investment, FDI, is when a foreign firm locates within Michigan. And it's really an expansion into Michigan. It's not the firm, leaving France or some other country. Most of the times, it's an expansion into this area or an expansion into somewhere within the United States, and it's competition for this. So all of the economic development people work together to show put our best foot forward, for lack of a better term, that it's opportunities for this particular firm to locate here. And Automation Alley does a great job in really representing the entire region with that. Also, you mentioned Project Diamond. They were awarded the second round of funding for Project Diamond, and it provides an opportunity for businesses to get a 3D printer. And also, the whole purpose of it is to educate these businesses on Industry 4.0 and self-aware machines. So Automation Alley is doing a great job with ushering in the next stage of technology. And again, we like to work together as a region. We had a reputation of really not doing that, and Automation Alley is a great example of what you call a public-private partnership that's drawing the region together and to work with technology-based businesses. One other company I want to mention that's within the Smart Zone that was just added, I think less than 12 months ago, it's Anchor Automotive. They're new to the park, and that's a tier 1 supplier, and they do turnkey software, data management, labeling solutions. It's really a great example of a foreign company coming into Michigan. At least the ownership is foreign. So they just located within the park. Any questions?
Okay, item C then is our schedule for next year.
That should have been on the back of the agenda item. Our next meeting for this particular committee would be October 21st of 2024. The joint committee of Southfield and Troy, we meet once a year.
We
Mr. Chair,
adopt that?
Sure, you need a
Yeah,
motion.
Mr. Chair, you should have a motion to approve the schedule.
So if I'll entertain a motion to adopt the schedule for 2024, October 21st. At time, 3:30 PM?
Yes.
So moved.
Support.
Second.
All right. Any discussion? All those in favor then, October 21st, 24 at 3:30 PM?
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Takes us to item 7, board member comment. Board member comments. I don't know when the strikes are gonna end. Public comment then. Any public comment?
That would be me.
Could you stand
Try to
up?
speak on the podium or?
Yes.
All right, so I was invited to come make public comment. My name is John Bucknell. I'm CEO and founder of Vertisource Technologies, located right here in Troy. You probably don't know about us because we're an early stage deep tech startup. We only have 2 full-time employees and about 15 part-time employees, and we're actually spread across Western Europe and North America, but our physical location here is in Troy. I relocated this business to Troy in 2020 after spending almost a decade in Los Angeles working for 2 prior startups. But I have lived in Oakland County for most of 20 years, and I located my business here due to low overhead costs, excellent supply chain, and engineering talent. I want to talk a little bit about electrification of vehicles because I did spend a lot of my career working on that, and I have lived through vehicle electrification through my 30-year career in automotive and aerospace. But I also have led the propulsion development teams, which includes the electrification of vehicles for 2 plug-in hybrids, including the Chevrolet Volt and the Zinger 21C, which is a small hypercar maker in Los Angeles County. I also own a 2012 Chevy Volt. I have 140,000 miles on that vehicle. I have installed a level 2 charger in my home that I built myself. But as you know, many technology workers are early adopters of technology, and that extends to electric vehicles. Having owned and operated electric vehicles for many years, charging is constantly on your mind. A level 2 charger is really insufficient as charging times for any significant daily driving require 10 to 12 hours on a charger per day. And this is a dilemma for EV owners, the time commitment for charging. I was in Silicon Valley last month, and even with a 240-mile range electric vehicle, I needed to set aside about 30 minutes in the middle of my day to go find a DC fast charger for every day of that week that I was out there. And as a business owner, I desire to attract the best talent, and often that talent will come from markets with strong EV infrastructure. I encourage Troy and Oakland County to support high-performance charging, both personally and professionally. And in case you didn't say it, because I left it out of my notes, my name of my business is Vertisource. We are commercializing space-based solar power, and we hope to have a manufacturing and development facility right here in Troy in the next year. So thank you for having me.
Thank you. Any other public comment? Then moves us to item 9, motion to adjourn would be in order.
So moved.
Support.
Second.
All those in favor of adjournment?
Aye.
It,
That's it.